For this video we will need a mesh cap and a crochet pin, and then your hair. I got this hair from Darling Hair. They sent me 5 boxes to try on, so I don't know how many pieces I'm going to use. In each box you get 30 coils. It came in these beautiful colors. So I just placed my mesh cap on the mannequin and I began crocheting. And to crochet, you guys know how I do it on this channel. It's not anything complicated. For this video I wasn't really counting the number of holes which I placed, but I just eyeballed it. I may have picked 2 or 3 holes, I can't really tell. You can do same, just eyeball it and make sure you're not doing chunky holes because your hair might not fit properly on your head. You pick holes, maybe 2 or 3, or make sure that your latch is opened. You attach the hair, you close the latch, and then you pull it through. That is how to do crochet hair, even on your head. And with this, there's no difference, there's no much difference. It still applies here, just that when picking the holes from the net, you make sure you don't pick it that much. So I keep repeating the steps over and over again. And guys, like, I don't know, but there's something about this hair that's touching my heart. I just love the color. I've never worn any hair like this before. The color combination is so perfect. Like, you could see the ombre at the tip, somehow dark reddish from the beginning, and then once it gets to the tip it becomes more lighter. This is really nice.
Got the bass bumping in the trunk thumping. Got the bass bumping in the trunk thumping. Got the bass bumping in the trunk thumping. Got the bass bumping in the trunk thumping.